Science and education and learning. That's me.
Hello guys, how are you today? Let's start the day with math. And our lesson is probability. Probability is how likely is an event to happen or not. Okay? So for this we're gonna use a scale of probability. And you can see it right here.
Wow!
An event could be impossible to occur. An event could have poor chance to occur. It could be events that it means half and half or 50-50. An event has a good chance to occur and some others are certain.
Wow!
So in our page 102, we have the same scale here. And we have some events that we need to classify according to our scale. The first event says, I will watch television tonight. How is it likely to happen to you? Because for me, I could say it is certain because I like to go to the bed and watch TV. So for me, I could say that it's certain. The second event says, I will break a world record this year. Unless we're on a training and I don't know, that would be likely to happen. But for me, that I'm not in any challenge or any activity that goes like on the way to break a world record, well, it's very unlikely to happen for me. So I could say that it's a poor chance. Tomorrow will be Thursday. That's impossible, right? Because today is, do you remember the song that it's Sunday and then Monday? All right. I will drink some water today. For me, it's certain because I always like to drink water. So it's something about the probability for an event to happen. Let's continue with our book.
Wow!
In our exercise 1, it says, write something about yourself or an event to complete each of these probability sentences. There is a certain chance that, what is something that you always do? So it is like, could be a certain chance for it to happen again, right? It is impossible that, for me that's impossible that I could fly by myself. C, there is a good chance that I'm going to do some exercise today. D, there is an even chance, remember, 50-50, that if I throw a coin, there is an even chance that I have like the face or the eagle, right? So it's gonna be an even chance. There is a poor chance. Well, there is a poor chance.
Wow!
That I will eat turkey today because I have no turkey on my fridge and I have the plan. It's not on my plans to go and buy turkey, right? So it's a poor chance, but what about if some friend give me a piece of turkey? So that's a poor chance, right? Well, let's go to the exercise 2.
Wow!
And it says, for each bag, write the chance of picking a blue bead. Beads are like, in Spanish are cuentas. So little balls, or in this case, I'm gonna use marbles. You know what is marble? I'm gonna take my bag and I'm going to add 5 blue marbles and I'm gonna put it there in the bag. 2 red marbles in 2 yellow marbles. And I'm gonna mix them, and you will have to tell me how is the chance or the possibility or the probability of getting 1 blue marble. So there are more marbles, so it's gonna have a good chance to get a blue marble, right? Let's see. Yay! I picked. So we have good chance because most of the marbles inside the bag were blue.
Wow!
For the exercise B, we're going to put in my empty bag 5 blue marbles again, 3 red marbles, and 2 yellow marbles. I'm mixing them, and tell me how is the probability of getting a blue marble. Do we have an impossible? No, because there are blue marbles inside. Do we have a poor chance? I don't think so, because most of the marbles are blue. Evens? No, because as I said, there are more blue marbles. Do we have a good chance, or it's certain that I'm gonna get a blue marble? Again, I think it's a good chance. But what if we count together the blue are 5? And what about yellow and red? How much are them? So we have 50-50 because 3 and 2, remember? So we have 5 in other colors and we have 5 blue. So it's gonna be even. Let's see. This time I got a yellow one.
Wow!
For our exercise 3, be careful because we're going to add 5 red marbles, 3 yellow marbles, and 4 green marbles. What's the chance or my probability to get a blue marble? Let's see. Why? It is impossible because I have no blue marbles here inside the bag. So that is impossible for me to get a blue marble, right?
Wow!
Exercise D. I'm gonna take 8 blue marbles and I'm gonna put them inside my bag. What's my chance of getting 1 blue marble? Impossible? Poor? Even? Good chance or certain? Certain, because if I say I make this, I'm gonna get a blue and always a blue because I have only blue marbles inside my bag.
Wow!
And for the last exercise on page 102, on the exercise E, check. We have this. We have 5 red marbles. We have 4 yellow marbles and 2 green marbles and 4 blue marbles. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 marbles of another color versus 4 blue marbles. Tell me, let's put them in our bag and tell me what's the chance of getting a blue marble. Impossible, poor chance, even, good chance or certain. I think since the vast majority of the marbles are of other colors, we have poor chance of getting a blue marble, right? So I got a green one.
Wow!
So now that you're an expert on probability, let's answer page 103. On the exercise 3, you will have to check this spinner. You remember the spinner that you turn the top of it so it starts to spin. That's the name, or that's why the name spinner. So we have one place with yellow, 3 on red, and 2 in blue. So we have the colors here: blue, red, yellow, and green. Can you see any green space? No, right? So what's the probability for us to get a green color when we spin the spinner? That would be impossible, right? But you will answer by yourself. What's the chance of getting blue, red, and yellow? All right?
Wow!
For the exercise score, we have some cards. Okay, as you can see, we have from the ace to 10, so we have 10 cards. If we shuffle the cards, like we mix them, but in the cards we shuffle them, we're going to check what's the possibility of getting a multiple of 2. How many multiples of 2? Remember that we have 10 cards. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. We have 5 cards that are even and 5 cards that are not. So what's the chance of getting a multiple of 2? What about a multiple of 5? Multiple of 5, sorry, it's going to be only 5 and 10. So what's my probability of getting a multiple of 10? The queen of diamonds. Can you see any queen here? So what's the probability for us to get a queen? A diamond. All the cards are diamonds. So what's the probability for us of getting a card with diamonds?
Wow!
And letter D is a number greater than 6. We already know that we have from the ace to 10. So greater than 6, more than 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what's my chance of getting a number greater than 6?
Wow!
And for the try this, we're going to copy and complete this daily diary. Write events in your day that would match each probability. Okay, we have this chart right here. You can do it right here in the book right away. So let's think on some situations that we do in our daily routine that could be classified according to our scale.
Wow!
Those are my answers, okay? Something that is certain that I do in the morning is to wake up. In the afternoon, I'm going to have some lunch. In the evening, it's gonna be resting time. Good chance. Okay, in the morning, I'm going to put on my makeup. In the afternoon, I have a good chance to record a video. And in the evening, to watch TV. Events. That the weather is cold in the morning, we don't know. In the afternoon, it evens to having time to rest. Could be or not, depending on the day. Evening. Sleeping late? It's even chance. What about poor chance? For me, it's a very poor chance to wake up with shoes on because I always take them off before to sleep. In the afternoon, I have a poor chance of not having to make a video. And in the evening, I have a poor chance to go outside. Because by that time, I supposed to have finished with all my activities. So I have a good chance to go outside. Something that is impossible for me in the morning. Well, it's impossible for me going to Jupiter in my flying car. One, because I have no flying car, and because Jupiter it's so far away from here and it's a gassy planet, remember? And in the afternoon, it's impossible for me to have a dinner in the middle of the day. And for the evening, for me it's impossible to have breakfast.
Wow!
So that's how you have to complete your chart with your own events, okay? It doesn't have to be the same like me. But well, I hope you enjoy the class because this topic, I like it very much because it is entertaining and we can have some fun with it. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.